welcome to our last topic or topic 6 of this module 3, that is application of unsupervised machine learning. So here we have understood or learned two type of problems, machine learning type of problems, that is, one is grouping or clustering type of problem, another is association rule mining problem. Now, so basically already I gave a little bit hint or a glimpse about the application. Still, in this module we will try to understand what are the application that in the industry we are getting, or every day-to-day life, what are the application you can observe of this unsupervised machine learning. So start with the grouping or clustering type of problem. So the first big example is the marketing. You can find that the consumer segmentation. So there, by the maybe from the based on demographic feature, maybe their financial behavior, we can categorize different customer sets. Maybe from based on their preference also we can group the different consumers, and that information or the grouping information can be very good kind of an indication for maybe product design, maybe for targeted marketing. So that is basically in case of digital marketing. Now in case of our e-commerce or quick commerce applications, you have definitely observed that frequently you are getting different coupons. So how these coupons are actually sent to particular consumer. So basically they try to find out, okay, what is the similarity between couple of consumers. They identify the similarity, and based on the similarity and the behavior, they share the coupons with you. And these coupons actually trigger your maybe purchase decision or intention to purchase, and definitely lead to the profitability of the particular company or e-commerce or quick commerce website. Definitely you have observed the recommendation system in the any e-commerce platform like Amazon. So there also it gives kind of some recommendation of products based on the similarity between different consumers. So these are the examples of consumer segmentation. Now if I consider the similarity of let's say another example of product. So let's say in case of inventory management, if different kind of products are available inside the inventory, so they first try to find out, okay, who are the similar type of products, maybe based on the demand, based on the size or volume they are capturing, based on the value they are. So and based on these information, they can create a group of products, and based on that they can decide how to manage the entire inventory. Let's say if you wants to go for social science applications, maybe you are trying to find out, okay, you wants to divide the set of people who are sharing common demographic. So that can be very useful to identify or do kind of experiment for different projects. Let's say from the government sides, they are launching new scheme for the people, poor people. So in that case, who will be the target audience for that particular scheme, who will be beneficiary for that scheme, those can be easily identified based on the similarity between these people. Next, the association. In case of association rule mining type of problem, let's say if I ask you, okay, if you have a preference of Apple, and if you have preference for, let's say, particular music, then definitely you should go for a particular brand. So these kind of applications are basically when you participate in different kind of surveys, in online surveys, basically they are trying to capture these kind of information. Then based on that also they can give you kind of product suggestion, maybe they can share some coupons, maybe some offers to increase your intention to purchase. So these are a couple of examples that can be very much useful for you to understand how this grouping or clustering problems and association problems are used for different real life problem solving. And unsupervised machine learning algorithms are solving these problems in your day-to-day life. So hope you understood and enjoyed this entire module 3 where we have discussed on unsupervised machine learning and how to implement k-means algorithm and association rule mining for real life problem solving with the help of Excel and Python. And also I am hoping that you have understood how to implement all these algorithms in for solving real life problems. Thank you.